Look, I'm just going to come out and say it. Nobody wants to talk about the elephant in the room, but there's an elephant in the room. Tony Adams is, or was, a famous football player for the Arsenal team. This is something that I only found out recently when I happened to run into Tony Adams. Before I met Tony Adams, I wouldn't have been able to tell you Tony Adams from something else whose last name ends in Adams. But I remember the name Tony Adams because my friend Jay Handley mentioned the name Tony Adams in our documentary on William Blake. At the end, he says his favorite British hero is Tony Adams. I said, who was that? And he said, a football player. I went up to Tony Adams and I said, I'm sorry, I don't really know who you are, but my friend Jay Handley speaks very highly of you. And because he's my friend, I would love to get your autograph. Mr. Adams complied, and he signed the only paper I had available at the time, which happened to be my copy of Sir Walter Scott's Waverley. So it is with great joy and pleasure today that I present this autograph to my friend Jay Handley, an autograph of the famous football player for Arsenal, Tony Adams. And now, Jay, if you'd like to say a few words.
Tony Adams has always been a hero of mine from an early age, because he was the first Arsenal captain I ever knew. And now to hold his autograph in my hands is to feel some form of connection to a man I always saw as a role model. Indeed for me, and indeed for the entire British people, because he embodies the British spirit of both high-level sporting performance and aggressive alcoholism.
So I was sitting there with my mates, right? I've got two mates with me today, which makes us three, right? Three mates, right? I'm sitting here pretending, this is lager, right? These three birds walking, like, you could eat fucking crumpets on their arse. Fucking nice, right? Three of them come in, right? So I said, oh, 3 for free, right? And they give me this look, like I said, what? There's your mass for you right there, 3 for free. You're free, we're free. They come over here, right? Three stunning fucking birds coming over here, right? He said, what do you do for a living? I said, what's your fucking matter what I do for a living? You're free, we're free. It's bedtime. Bedtime for Bonzo, right? It's kissing and hugging time, this. It's fucking like, what do I do? Where you come from? What does it fucking matter? You're free, we're free. I'll tell you this, there wasn't a fat one among the bunch. So if there was, it'd be 2 and 1. But there was 3 fit ones for free, fairly fit ones and some free for free. She's looking at me like I'm off a fucking nut. 3 for free, that's it, perfect fit, because I'm a gentleman. I said to these two lads, I say, you take first dibs. I'll get a fucking, it was, and they was looking at me like, what? I said, well, you're going to pull that Me Too shit on me? Nah, ain't having it. There's no Me Too here. It's me free. Me free, you free. Bedtime for fucking Bonzo now. That's what it is. So fucking, what do you call them? GSE, right? You did a GSE to GSE.
GCSE.
GSE to. I know the fucking name. I've had a bit too much fucking tap on it.
You're not good with letters, but the numbers are fucking fantastic.
The numbers are fantastic. How many times do you fucking see that? 3 for free. I mean, most times I'm walking around on my own, right? I'm 1, might be 7, might be 2. You never see 1 and 1. Right? It's like 1 and 3, whatever. You always don't even imagine. Perfect fit. We're free, they're free. Have they come out yet? No. Fuck, have they? Get to fuck.